Here at Purple Rhino Safe Roof and Exterior Cleaning, we provide the most phenomenal service to all of our clients.
I believe everyone should live in or work in a clean space permanently.
We believe in continuous training in new methods and equipment when they become available.
Your headaches are our opportunities.
I believe that residential and commercial buildings should look as good as they do on the outside as they do on the inside.
Our aim is to free up your time so you can concentrate on what you enjoy doing.
We believe whether owned or leased, you need help looking after your property.
Homeowners and business owners can trust us to always deliver on time, every time.
100% satisfaction is what we aim to give you.
We teach our employees to serve you well by always going that extra mile.
Because we care about your property.
Because we care about your property.
Because we care about your property.